Alright, good luck everybody. Single box 2008 National Treasures Football. Thanks for joining. At a late night, early morning. Hey, Nkai, I thought you were mad. I thought you were mad and took off. Oh man. I'd give you one of my teams, dude, straight up, but I only got split spots. You want a split spot with Rainey? Hashtag game changer. He's got the Saints and Cowboys, man. No, I was looking for you because it actually filled. I was looking for you. I was like, I went hitless in the NT case. Probably went and beating up the neighbor's dog or something, man. Do have one more left though, if we can get it done with right back here. So, all right, here we go. 08 NT. Good luck, everybody. Hopefully this is fun. It's usually a lot of fun or just a dud. Hopefully it's fun. Oh, I was like, what the? I thought it was like the voided label. Again, it's like 430. Bear with me. When I saw it, I was like, oh man, this thing's been ripped open. It hasn't been, just FYI. Alright, good luck, everybody. Got a Green Bay Packer base on the front. That's going to be Greg Jennings. Alright, any cards for the out teams? Again, out teams are Bucks, Jags, Seahawks, Cardinals. Will be random to the hit list. One of ones will count as a hit, base cards will not. Alright, first up, we got Greg Jennings. Oh man, Greg Jennings for the Packers. Who's got these Packers? Walt with the Packers. 86 and 99. Why was I so worried about looking up the Packers for a base card? Because that was chilling behind it. Greg Jennings. 101. Going to Walt. 1, 2, 3. Greg Jennings base. And Greg Jennings. Nasty. I don't have any mags by me. I should have grabbed more one after that 12 NT case. Grab those in a minute. Alright, next up. For the Minnesota Vikings. This is Carl Eller. Game worn. Triple patch. 1 color, 2 color, 3 color. 21 of 25. Sad news, folks. We have a redemption card. We do have a redemption. RPS rookie signature silver non-RPS card number 141. It's going to be Brian Witherspoon. I don't remember. I want to say he was a Redskin. I'm not sure about that though. 141. I'll show the checklist after the break so it doesn't block the view from everything. But that was going to be 141. Signature patches. We got Ken Stabler. Stabler was the Raiders. A little Bama patch. Ken Stabler auto 12 of 26. Yeah, I don't know if they'll have that specific card, but they'll probably send something. Hopefully. Nice jersey card. You gotta be kidding me. We got 2 redemptions in here, guys. I'm sorry. We got a Joe Montana. Super Bowl jersey, though, not the patches. Still nice, though. Joe Montana, 20 of 25. Another redemption. And then we got a Fitzgerald base chilling right there. Rookie signature jumbo prime materials gold. Oh man, that might have been nice. Let's see who it was. It's 125. 125. Malcolm Kelly. Malcolm Kelly was the Redskins, I believe. So, 125, rookie signature jumbo, prime materials gold. There was a Fitzgerald 67 and 99. We'll random that since that was one of the out teams. So cards 141 and 125. There's one. 125, Malcolm Kelly. 141, Brian Witherspoon. Alright. So yeah, that does it. 101 Greg Jennings, Joe Montana, Carl Eller patches, 2 redemptions, Ken Stabler, a couple base cards. Alright, thanks again, everybody.